The Nerf Spectre was a great blaster for its time. You know, you got a 5-shot, you get the stock and everything. But now with the refresh of the Elite 2.0 series, can Hasbro redefine the not-so-portable pistol category with the Nerf Commander? Let's find out. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we do these kinds of fun unboxings and stuff. Let us know if you want more, by the way. So this is our back in another episode of Nerf unboxing. So this is actually the Nerf Commander, and I have no idea why they call it Commander. Does Commanders even use that? But anyway, this is the Elite 2.0 series. 2.0 meaning that this is actually a refresh of the original N-Strike Elite. So they are promising better ranges, more tactical stuff like that, which we will be testing that claim in time to come. Alright, in terms of the rails, in terms of the darts and everything, like is it really more tactical? Alright, so without further ado, let's take a look. So this we have today is the Nerf Commander. Commander in full Commander RD-6. I have no idea what the RD stands for, but 6 meaning a 6-shot. So this is a spiritual successor to the original Spectre. The original Spectre was a 5-shot one. This is a 6-shot cylinder blaster, but actually a lot of things have happened since the previous one. Now we have the strong arm, you used to have the Maverick and everything. So we're going to see if it's good enough. Okay, in the front of the packaging, it is very straightforward. You're going to have the blaster itself in all its glory, grip and everything, and the back of it is just some promotional material. This design language is actually the same. It's actually consistent across the entire Elite 2.0 lineup, meaning that you're going to have some, pseudo model runway kind of thing. Alright, further ado, let's open this up. So included that comes with the blaster is the blaster itself, and 12 darts. So the 12 darts are actually 6 of different colors. I don't know why. I mean, Nerf darts suck. So well, at least they have 6 now. Last time they just give you just the bare minimum. So if you lose one, then GG. Yeah. Anyway, now to the blaster itself. So this is actually I would say this is actually a pretty compact blaster. That it's actually quite slim. It is not very fat. Okay, so it is a 6-shot non-removable cylinder. So the strong arm, you can actually flip out the cylinder, but this is actually follows the disruptor because you cannot remove it. So the only way to load the darts is by loading like that, and then you have to roll the cylinder. Okay, so going through the front of the blaster all the way to the back. At the front we have a N-Strike muzzle attachment, so you can attach your muzzles and stuff like that. You have one rail here, one rail here, and one rail here. Why would you put a rail at the bottom? I don't know, but hey, it looks cool, right? Like, I mean, even if the rail is empty, it still looks cool in my opinion. So no complaints there. The more the merrier. Okay, moving over to the priming handle. This is a pretty cool handle. Doesn't take too much effort. Yeah, it doesn't take too much effort. Although I would say it's a little bit more effort than the original Elite. So maybe the spring inside is stronger. I don't know. But yeah. So the thing is, when you prime it, the cylinder doesn't move. Only when you fire the trigger, then the cylinder moves. It's just the mechanism and everything. Okay, you have the design. This is like an inlay style Elite 2.0. Same with the other side. Okay, and down to the trigger. Trigger is actually very solid. I love it. Okay, and down to the handle. So the handle is fine, although you can see there's an enormous oversized thumb grip. Yeah, that's the one. It's enormous, so it will not impede in a way, because I know there are a couple of Nerf blasters in the past that they were really cramped, so it will actually it actually hinders your performance. But I think this is great. Please don't go and please don't tell them I said that. Alright, it's gonna hurt because this is plastic. The grip itself is fine, although I would prefer the original Elite grip, but because it's a bit too flat lah. But it's fine. It doesn't really trigger me, pun intended. Okay, moving to the back, we have a stock attachment point, so you can attach your stocks and everything like that. So all in all, this is a very tactical blaster, actually in line with their Elite 2.0 series, where they really overload the blaster with rails, with muzzle attachments, with stock attachments, and everything they can fit, they just fit. In terms of the dimensions, let's check out the physical dimensions of it, starting out with the length. Okay, length, it is 34 cm, the height, it is 18.5 cm, and the width, the maximum width, it is about 5 to 5.5 cm. So all in all, it's pretty compact if you just use it as it is, but you can actually kit it out with a full stock and barrel, so you can actually make it like, even with like a full grip, you can actually make it into a potent blaster, although it is just 6 shots. Okay, so we're going to show you guys the firing demo. So we're going to show you against the same blaster wall, and then I'm gonna give you my thoughts and everything. Stay tuned. Okay, so we have the firing demo ready. This is all loaded, ready to go. So here we go. But not forgetting, there's also slam fire, which means you hold the trigger and then you just keep on sliding the trigger, the priming handle. Okay, here we go. Ready and go. Alright, so that was the firing demo of the Nerf Commander. So my personal thoughts about it is, to be honest, it actually feels quite solid, even though I don't really have a very good impression of the Nerf Elite 2.0 line. But it's actually very solid for what it does, purely a 6-shot rotating cylinder based blaster. But given the fact that there is such thing called a strife, you know, and even if let's say you disregard flywheel blasters, blasters such as the Disruptor and Strong Arm, really I feel that they're better because you can actually whip out the cylinder, you can reload faster. And if you are really going for like the rifle base, then get something like the Echo or the Retaliator, you know, where you can really kit it out with a full set and everything. So I feel that this is kind of stuck. This is like the middle brother, you know, like the I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just here because I'm here, because my parents call me to be here. Yeah, I feel like this is that kind of blaster. It's very weird. So, but the thing is, there's nothing wrong with this blaster. That being said, yeah, there's nothing wrong with this blaster. It does well at what it's supposed to do. It shoots well. There's no jamming issues, and I love the slam fire. I mean, yeah lah, I mean you throw the accuracy out the window, but hey, who doesn't? Like, it's intimidating when you... The sound alone is already quite intimidating. So yeah, it's overall a very good blaster. It's just that I don't know where it belongs. Yeah. Anyway, that's all for the unboxing and review of this Nerf Elite 2.0 Commander. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. I'm Chester, that's all for today. See you guys.